Ladies and gentlemen, tech enthusiasts and Nokia fans, buckle up because the legendary Lumia series is making a mind-blowing comeback. This is the Nokia Lumia 200, a 5G beast packed with a MediaTek Dimensity 9300 chipset, a 200 megapixel camera, a 6000 mAh battery, and 512 GB storage. Yes, you heard that right. Nokia is back in the game, and this might just be the phone that shakes up the entire smartphone industry. So, is this the ultimate Nokia flagship we've all been waiting for? Let's dive deep into this Nokia Lumia 200. Unboxing, first look, hands-on, features, and everything you need to know. First things first, let's take a look at what comes inside the box. Nokia has gone for a premium and eco-friendly packaging that feels just as premium as the phone itself. Opening the box, we are greeted by the Lumia 200 wrapped in a soft matte protective sheet. Underneath, we have the 120W fast charger, a USB-C cable, and a sleek, crystal clear protective case. And Nokia is still giving us a 3.5mm headphone jack adapter, a rare feature in 2024. Holding the Nokia Lumia 200 for the first time, it's clear that this is a premium flagship. The matte frosted glass back with the Lumia branding and the polished aluminum frame give it a stunning and solid feel. And look at that camera setup. This is no ordinary smartphone. The Lumia 200 is a perfect blend of classic Lumia DNA and modern innovation. The edges are curved but not too slippery. The camera module is bold yet refined, and the device is built like a tank with Gorilla Glass Victus 3 protection. It comes in 3 stunning colors: midnight blue, glacier silver, and neon orange, bringing back the Lumia's signature vibrant aesthetics. On the right, we have the power button with an integrated fingerprint scanner, volume rockers, and an AI button for instant voice assistant access. At the bottom, there's a stereo speaker setup, USB-C port, and a dual SIM plus microSD hybrid slot. Nokia is ensuring flexibility for users who need that extra storage. Now, let's talk about this jaw-dropping display. Nokia has stepped up their game with a 6.8-inch 2K AMOLED panel boasting a 144 Hz refresh rate and HDR10 Plus support. This display is a visual treat. It gets super bright at 2200 nits, making outdoor usage seamless, and the colors are just punchy, crisp, and vibrant. Watching content on this phone is an absolute delight, whether you're binge-watching Netflix, gaming, or just scrolling through social media. And the in-display fingerprint scanner? Fast and super responsive. Alright, let's get to the real powerhouse of this phone, the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 chipset. This is a 4nm monster, clocked at 3.25 GHz, and it is built to compete with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. With 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, this phone is a speed demon. Whether you're multitasking with 50+ apps open, playing Genshin Impact on max settings, or editing 4K videos, the Nokia Lumia 200 delivers flagship-level performance with zero hiccups. The vapor chamber cooling system also keeps temperatures in check, even under heavy loads. Now, this is the biggest highlight. The 200 megapixel primary camera with OIS and AI Super Night mode. Nokia is making a statement with massive megapixels, but does it actually perform? The details are incredible. Even after zooming in 10x, the clarity is mind-blowing. The night mode is fantastic, producing bright, noise-free images even in low light. The ultra-wide 50 megapixel lens and 32 megapixel periscope telephoto with 5x optical zoom takes smartphone photography to another level. And the 32 megapixel selfie camera? It captures sharp, natural-looking selfies with excellent dynamic range. A powerful phone needs a powerful battery, and Nokia has packed a massive 6000 mAh cell in the Lumia 200. With 120W fast charging, you can go from 0 to 100% in just 25 minutes. And for those who love wireless charging, you'll be happy to know it supports 50W fast wireless charging, faster than some wired chargers out there. Battery life? Easily a 2-day phone. The Lumia 200 runs on pure Android 15 with Nokia's optimizations. It's bloat-free, clean, and super smooth. Nokia promises 5 years of OS updates, meaning this phone is built to last. And yes, the phone is AI-powered with features like AI call screening, AI voice typing, and on-device translation. So, how much does all this cost? Nokia is offering the Lumia 200 at a starting price of $799 for the 12GB plus 256GB variant and $899 for the 16GB plus 512GB model. Given the flagship level specs, massive battery, and stunning design, this pricing is super competitive. Final verdict? The Nokia Lumia 200 is an absolute game changer. It's got flagship performance, an insane 200 megapixel camera, premium design, and Nokia's legendary durability. If you're looking for a powerful, long-lasting smartphone in 2024, this is the one to consider. That's it for today. Let me know in the comments. Are you excited for Nokia's comeback? Would you buy the Lumia 200? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tech content. See you in the next one.